Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, back in the kitchen again. Guys, I'm here today making Jamaican black Christmas cake. Enjoy!
My 2 cups of butter, and I'm making a 9-inch Christmas cake, black Jamaican Christmas cake. Just want to show you the exact measurement. And what I'm putting in now, my 2 cups of sugar. That is 1 cup. And this is the next cup. So 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of butter. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to combine the butter and the sugar together. I'm going to mix butter and sugar until it gets creamy. So this is how it looks after I mix it out for 10 minutes. Okay? Yes. I'm using 6 eggs. What I'm doing now, I'm just putting my 6 eggs in one container. Use a lemon.
What I'm doing now, guys, I'm just taking all the eyes out of the eggs.
What I'm doing here, I'm just going to add my eggs 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, but what you cannot do is to add all of your eggs at once. Okay, that's 2 eggs. So what I'm doing now, I'm just adding my eggs to my butter and my sugar mixture. Combine all of this together, and this is the butter, the sugar, and the egg. Just mix out this for about a minute. Using my spatula again to clean off the sides. Here I'm using 1 lime and just taking off the zest of the lemon. Grater it already. So I just grater, and you don't want to grate the white part. Once from it, the yellow part come off, you just want to go up on the other side and just go round it until your lemon is white. You only see only the white part. And there I get it, but mess up all the place. Just gonna combine this, put in my zest in my mixture, take away the rawness. I'm gonna squeeze my lime. So what I'm doing now, here's my 1 lemon, and this is my lemon juice. Just gonna put it in my mixture here. Just gonna mix it in my butter and my sugar and my egg. So what I have here is 1 tablespoon of vanilla, what I'm going to do now is to just put this aside. What I have here is my flour, my all-purpose flour. What I'm going to add to this bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of flour. But just gonna sieve it. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. This is all the spice I'm going to put in my Jamaican fruit black cake. What I'm doing here, I'm just going to put my flour little by little in my wet ingredients. Gonna add in some of my raisin, and I'm using, okay, this is my measurement, right? And this is a 2 cup measurement. 2 cup would I reach right here. Let me show you right here. 2 cup would I reach right here, so you understand, but it go over, so it's 2.5, okay? Yeah, the half would I reach up at the top. So this is full, so this is my fruits. And this mixed with the raisin, prune, cherry, currant, all of that, mixed peel, all of that, okay? And I make it soak in Red Navy rum and Red Label wine, okay guys? Just gonna put little by little. Gonna add all of this now. Just gonna add the rest of flour. So I'm not gonna mix it all the way. I just want to know all the flour mixed out in there, okay? And this is my browning. I should have measured with the browning. Look, I'm gonna see how much browning I put in there. Oh my lord, I'm sorry. Just put some browning in there. You can definitely put your browning in the, depends on the color you want. Your Christmas cake, you can definitely put in your browning. Okay? Depends on the color you want your Christmas cake, okay? I want a dark brown Christmas cake. That's what I'm looking for, a dark brown cake, okay? So I'm gonna put a little more in there, just a little bit more. Gonna put some rum in there. Gonna put, let me use the measurement that you know exactly how much rum I'm putting in there. Come back to this, guys. Just gonna fill this with the rum and just put it in there. Okay? That's it. Just gonna put it in there. What I'm doing now, guys, I'm just mixing my mixture, and I'm gonna let my cake bake for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So my oven is ready. Look like no further left, right? Yeah. I want it thick and not fluffy. A little bit over, right? Okay, I'm gonna put all of it in there, okay? I'm gonna put all of it in this container here. Just shake this and just make it rest, and you count off it just 5 minutes, and then you just put it in there, okay? Just put it in your oven. And the reason why you're gonna make it rest, because it just make the cake just set and just form in your pan. That's the reason why you're gonna make it sit for 5 minutes before you put it in the oven. Okay guys, my rum and my red label all over it. Take it out now. So what I'm gonna do is just put my rum and my red label all over it and just let it cool. Cover it. Hi guys, it's the next day and this is how my cake come out, and it have a crack. It have cracks in the middle, but I think it come out great. I think I love the color and I love how it look. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you the texture and the moisture of this cake. So what I'm gonna do to show you that is to take it out of the baking tin. Yeah, and I'm just gonna cut it. Here I have my knife and I have my little dish here. So I'm just gonna cut it and let us see the moisture of this cake. Okay guys, of this Christmas black fruit cake. And the bottom of the bake, and I got a thick little slice. Whoa. Okay guys, so this is how my cake look inside. See, it's not dry. This is it, and this is how it look. So it's full of moisture and the texture. And you can actually use this as a wedding cake. You can just put your icing on it and you definitely get it as a wedding cake. I'm not gonna put it on the dish. I'm just gonna put it up here for presentation. What I'm doing guys, I'm just changing the container here.
Yes guys, this is the finished look of my Jamaican black Christmas cake, rum cake, fruit cake. Guys, it is super good, it's super moist and it tastes so good. Guys, please subscribe, share and comment and tell me all about this recipe. Big up on yourself guys, and thank you for watching. Bye, season's greetings.
Wine and rum on it 10 days after. This is how it look.